Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're using Duplicator, a plugin to migrate your website, especially the free version of the plugin, maybe you will notice that there are many old URL left over on the new database. Let me show you. This is the file that generated by the duplicator if you're going to migrate your website. So I'm gonna make a new website from the installation file which generated by duplicator. So this is the usual process. I'm gonna need to put my database name, user and password. As you can see that the new URL is the migrate.local. Okay, we're gonna see on our database whether the URL is all the URL is this or the old URL. I think the old URL is the shop.local or store.local. We're gonna see that on the next minutes after this installation done. Takes so long. Let's wait patiently. Oh man, it took so long. I don't know it's whether my hard drive. Okay, nice, it's done. There is no step whatsoever. I just need to click admin login and then the installer file will delete it automatically. Oops. What the? Should I use HTTPS? Oh my god. What the? Okay, the password is... Damn, I forget the password. Let's see. What is the password for this thing? I forget. The user. I think I need to change manually. Where is that? The user here. MD5 generator. Let's see. password generate. Okay, let's copy. I'm not sure, but the format is like this. There is the $sign and P. Let's say WordPress password generator. Okay, here. Maybe this can help. Let's use a password as a password. Don't follow this on the Leaf website. Okay, cool. Now we have this thing. Oops. We're gonna change this. Okay, to this. Go. Okay, nice. Let's log in. What? Password? Oh, do I need to include the dot on the end? I'm not sure. Here. MD5? Where is MD5? I don't know. I'm not sure what's this to do. Let's just go. Yeah, I think user password. Oh nice, this is working. I need to bookmark this website. Alright, let's see. Now it's done. There is no step whatsoever. But if we take a look at our database and search for like I think this is the old URL. Let's find it. See, we have so many the old URL on some of the table. If we browse, we can see that. Oh no, this is the email. No, I think we should go for shop local and let's go post meta and 1000 on the table WP post. Let's see, this is the old URL. It's supposed to use the migrate.local here. I don't know if this only happened to the free version of the Duplicator, but fortunately we have a plugin, a free plugin. If you're wondering why I always use a free plugin, because I don't have any budget to buy the pro version. There is plugin which called leave URL. Go leave update URLs, so it can scan through our database and then replace the text on the each table of the MySQL. Let's activate it. Let's reload first and search for old URL. Yeah, you see we have so many, total 1400 old URL on our database. We need to replace it. Where is that? Go leave update URL setting. Go to the setting, and then this table accept the update. Yeah, to update table created by plugin, use the pro version. Because I think I only have the old URL on the WP comments, WP post meta, and then one on the I think this is the WooCommerce, from the WooCommerce. WP user, yeah, this is from WooCommerce. So two oh, fuck, what's that? Two I 2 or 3 on the WooCommerce yeah, there are only 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is from WooCommerce, and the rest is users. It's from that WordPress itself. This is from WordPress itself, and this is from WordPress itself, and yeah, this. So let's we can check this, like WP WC product download directories. Here, one, and then WP WC admin node action. Admin node action here. Okay, but to be sure, we need to save way. We need to export the database first, so we have a backup for in case something goes wrong, because on the free version of this plugin it doesn't provide us the tool to create a backup. I'm not sure the pro version has, but yeah, you can see by yourself. Okay, so this just put our old domain, and then on the new URL just put our new URL. Okay, let's search again. Oops, sublocal, go. Yeah, we have 1014 400. Let's update the URL. Okay, the URLs in the check tables have been updated, it said. Alright, let's reload. This number should be reduced to 0, I think. Okay, nice. Hello world. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think all the we don't have the old URL anymore on our database. Let's see, is it working or not? Maybe there is some error. Okay, nah, cool. So the two plugin here will be good to combine if you migrate using Duplicator. Yeah, this thing will happen like forgotten to replace the old URL for beginner. But I think, yeah, this 2 free version of plugin is good enough to migrate your website perfectly, I think. Yeah, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you tomorrow, or see you next week, I think.